Only 8 students in 17 years have cracked this professor's legendary exam loophole, and I was one of them. My calculus professor was notorious for creating impossible tests where the class average hovered around 30%. Students would literally cry during exams. On our final, everyone was sweating bullets until we hit the last question worth 25 points. The equation was absolutely terrifying. It covered half the page with integrals nested inside other integrals. People around me started panicking immediately. Some were already tearing up. I stared at this mathematical monster for 20 minutes, completely frozen. Then I remembered something crucial. This professor always hammered one phrase into our heads: read the directions carefully. So I went back and reread the question word by word. The question said, show that this complex equation can be solved, not solve it. Just show that it can be solved. My heart started racing. I wrote a simple paragraph explaining that equations of this type have solutions according to the fundamental theorem of calculus, exactly as he taught us in week 3. That's it. I turned in my test early while everyone else was still frantically scribbling equations. 2 days later, our professor walked in actually smiling, which never happened. He announced that only one student got full points on the final question. He held up my paper and explained how everyone else had spent hours solving something he never asked them to solve. I got an A+ while the class average was 42%. Later, a friend who became his TA revealed the truth. He uses this exact same trick question every single semester, and in 17 years, only 8 students have ever spotted it.